Hey art friends, today we're doing something a little different to celebrate Thanksgiving because it's coming up.
Yeah.
And what do we usually do on Thanksgiving?
Eat a lot of food.
Yeah, we eat a lot of good food. And we usually have a really nice table all set up with lots of plates for everybody to sit at. And so we thought it would be fun to make a little name tag that you could add to everybody's plate so that they know where they're going to sit.
Yeah.
And this one has a little turkey on it. Let's show our art friends what they need for this lesson.
That sounds good.
This one's all finished to show our art friends what it looks like, but you can change it so that it looks completely different. But we made this really cool printout that parents and adults can visit our website to download and print out for our art friends, for their kids.
Yeah.
For all the parents and adults out there, before you go any further in this lesson, you can pause the video, visit the link below the video in the description. It'll take you over to our website where you can download this and print it out. Then press play on the video again to follow along with us. Also for this art project, you need a few more things. We're gonna use a marker to draw with. You also need crayons or something to color with. And then what are these two things?
Tape and scissors.
Yeah, scissors to cut it out when we're all done coloring, and a small piece of tape so that after you've cut it out, you can loop it around and tape it in the back so that it will stand up on a plate. All right, you ready to start the project?
Yeah.
First, we're gonna put a scratch piece of paper underneath our drawing paper. This will just protect our table. Because we're using markers, it'll soak through this regular printer paper and get onto our table. So we need an extra sheet. We're gonna draw a really simple turkey right here in the center of our cutout, but you could change this. It could be a pumpkin or a scarecrow. What else could they draw?
A cooked turkey.
Yeah, you could draw a cooked turkey, and we're gonna draw a live one, but you could draw anything you want. Okay, let's start by drawing the turkey's body, and I'm gonna draw a circle right here in the middle, and it's gonna come down and connect to this rectangle shape. This is where we'll write the name. Yeah, there you go. Now let's draw the beak. I'm gonna draw the letter V, and then we can draw the top of the beak, and then we can also draw the little part that hangs down. I think that might be called a wattle. I'm not sure.
It is a wattle.
It is a wattle?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we're going to draw the eyes. Let's draw a really big, cute eye on the left and the same size on the right. And yes, we're going to add a smaller oval for the highlight. And then let's color in that big circle, but leave the little circle white. This part will also fast forward, so remember, you can pause the video if you need extra time. Now let's draw our turkey's toes. I'm going to draw two curves sticking out right here on the side. And we could draw two toes sticking out on the other side. Oh, what's our turkey missing?
The feathers.
Yeah, lots of feathers. Let's draw a line right here that connects from the outside to the body. And let's do that same line on the other side. Then let's draw a line straight down the middle. And then we're going to split each side with a diagonal line. And then let's split it again so that the feathers are a little smaller. And this way, it helps us space out the feathers so that they're even. Yeah, that looks awesome. Let's add more details to the feathers. I'm going to draw a little curve in between each of the lines that goes all the way to the other side. Ooh, I like that you just drew it straight through. I'm adding little curves in between, and I love that our two drawings are a little different.
Yeah.
They both turn out awesome, except we're not completely done.
You still need color.
Yeah, let's color it. We could also add even more things down here on the bottom. Oh, let's do that before we color. Let's add a little pumpkin right here. We'll draw a circle. And then we can also draw a little stem sticking out. We could also draw another one right here. And another stem sticking out. Oh, we could also draw the pumpkins different sizes. I'm going to add a smaller one at the end.
A really small one.
A really small one. I'm going to draw pumpkins on the other side too, and I'll go a little faster since we're repeating the same step. Oh, I really like how small those pumpkins. That's a really small one.
And the most smallest
The smallest one is just a dot.
And one dot on the top.
For the stem.
Yeah.
Let's also add grass. I'm going to draw a zigzag line in between each of the pumpkins, and that connects out to the side. We'll do the same on this side. Olivia, now I think we're ready to color it. This part will fast forward again, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. And remember, you could color your drawings any way you want. You ready to speed things up? Olivia, we did it. We finished coloring our turkeys, our name tag turkeys. And I love that we also added our name and we even traced it with a color. Especially love the light purple on your name.
Thanks.
Now we're ready to cut out our little name tags. And we're gonna cut out around the dash line. And I hope our friends, if they're really young, that they ask an adult or a parent to help them cut it out. And you've cut out a lot of things, so I'll watch you. You can do it yourself. We could also get kid scissors for you, but I know you're really good with them. This part we'll fast forward. I'm gonna cut out mine too, and then we'll show our friends how to tape the back.
Yeah.
Now that we have our turkeys all cut out, we have our tape, and I just have two really small pieces. You want to bend the little tabs around on yours, and then we can place the tape on the back. There you go, and then overlap it. And then right there, do you want to put it on? Yes, perfect. And then I'm gonna do the same with mine. We'll overlap little tabs at the back, and then put the tape on top so it'll stay. And there we go. It stands up all by itself.
Yay. Mine is rocking.
Mine's rocking too. It's a rocking turkey.
Yeah.
That was pretty simple, right?
Yeah.
I hope our friends had fun doing this. Now remember, you can print this out as many times as you want. You can print it out 20 times and do one for each person that's coming to your Thanksgiving dinner.
Or 100.
Oh yeah, if you have 100.
Yeah. We hope you have fun drawing Thanksgiving name tag.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you enjoyed cutting it out and even coloring these and making each one different. We love you guys, and we hope you have a really happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. Oh, no. Oh, our turkeys are battling.
Yeah.
Oh, yours won.